This day in history, 1 August 2018, Edgar Lungu, Lungu Corpse, shooting victim addresses family. Sarabena mashoko panguva ino aiwa vanhu zvinoratidza kuti vanhu vachiri hounded au nechitiko chakaitika mugore ra 2018 so 1 August. Maprotest because people they were demanding kuti aiwa ZEC release my election results. Sarabena mashoko panguva ino zvoonekwa kunzi aiwa the military attack yakaitwa mastreets citizens panguva ino chitiko choti vanhu vakachirangarira aiwa vanosiriswa ndokusubscribe wala yakatongopera zvomita panapa a victim anoaddressa panguva ino achiti my name is Lovedemunesi. I am a 1 August 2018 shooting victim trying to access medical assistance because of the late President Edgar Lungu's violations. It started when he violated Zambian law and deported legislator Tendai Biti. Before launching a political disinformation campaign that is still ongoing, I was shocked on false allegations that I am a political operator when I was just a civilian passing through the streets of RSBT. It is because of President Lungu's violations that I'm still to get medical attention, either in my country or outside. The pain from the bullet, which is still lodged in my backside, is getting worse, as it is a foreign object that can only be removed by specialist medical expertise. I am appealing to the family and the estate managers of President Edgar Lungu to consider my plight, as the late head of state was for over 7 years approached by journalists who include Zimbabwe, but he publicly played down my plight. I might not be the corpse of a late president getting international media sympathy. I'm a wounded father whose family is struggling as a result of these violations. I appeal to the Lungu family to also consider my plight in this difficult time. I continue to endure torment and pain 7 years running. I ask the Lungu family to fight for me the same way they are doing the men's corpse. I deserve the right to sue Lovedemunesi. Tomashukwana muda panguva ino anyaradza kuti people that being hounded nechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu zivafundo enyu motokuri pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So unsubscribe or like, chetonge bell icon.